You can create chatbot on your own data in just 2 minutes. Will you trust me? Now your answer might be impossible. But can I say you something? It's possible with Chatbase. Chatbase is the chatbot builder that uses ChatGPT to learn about your business to build fully customizable chatbots for your website. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's build our first chatbot. First, choose your data source. It can be a PDF, Word doc, custom prompt or a website. If you want to use your website, just add the site URL and click Fetch Links. Chatbase will automatically collect every related link. To create this chatbot, you can update settings like the base prompt. That's where you'll give your chatbot a name or add instructions like only answering questions in bullet points or responding in specific languages. Okay, now it's time to customize the chat interface. You can write a greeting and preview it in real time. Your messages can include links to FAQs, product demos or any web page. You can also change the theme, add a profile picture and pick a color for the text bubbles. You can choose whether this chatbot is public or private and add your domains. Then Chatbase will generate an HTML script tag and iframe code to embed on your website. And just like that, you've got your own ChatGPT chatbot live and ready to go. Well, not yet. First you got to click the link below and buy this lifetime deal to start using Chatbase today. And for more AI tips and tricks, subscribe to our Thai Hub channel.